What's up guys, it's Jasper Reyes. Andito tayo ngayon sa Activate Hoop Arena sa Mandaluyong City and I am gonna show you what it's like to be at the UBTG Runs at United by the Game. First and foremost, kung makikita nyo itong signage na to, Activate Hoop Arena, shoutout to Boss Dex. Tapos akit lang kayo. Tara, akit tayo. Shoutout to Pinoy basketballista guys, behind the camera. Nakikita nyo to, Activate Hoop Arena. Akit lang kayo dito. Yes sir, yes sir. Ayan guys, so masalubong nyo to yung reception area ng Activate Hoop Arena. Pwede kayo bumili ng water here, may coffee din, tapos everything. Meron silang mga protein bars mga as far as I know. Basta, you will be greeted with this view. Diyan na yung court, guys. Papakita ko sa inyo. Pero Carl, hello, ikaw ulit. Shoutout! So ayan, welcome to United by the Game guys. Tour ko kayo guys. Tara. So ito yung court. Meron tayong mga banners here. Shoutout. Bridging the gap since 2022. Since 2022 nag-start yung United by the Game. Shoutout to everyone here. Renzo Bando, Keeper, Jacob, Coach Jolo, Kong TV, Boss Dex, Colocos TV, and everyone. Makikita nyo yan dyan. Tapos yan, more than a run. May mga banners here. Makikita may 4 banners. Ah, ikot tayo. Pakaya natin sila. Dami up bro! Say hello to the vlog. Hello to the vlog. Shout out DJ KP guys. Craig Perez. CJ. Shout out. Look at that. Perfect dap bro.
Sensational.
Pong Alba. My boy. Hi. The one and only Lendings. Sir. Shout out.
Shout out DJ I.
Shout out DJ I.
I want you to hear me.
I think I got my swagger back.
Kami kaming branding dito. Oh my God! Oh my God! Okay, sorry. Commercial. May branding kami dito guys. UBTG Towel. Kung gusto nyo kumuha ng UBTG Towel, message at ubtg.merch. Tara. Oy, this is Sai guys. Wala shooting! Paolo, say hello to the vlog. Hi vlog. Shout out to the vlog. Ayan o. Siya ang guy in the chair natin ngayon. What do you want to ask? Tulong pa yung
Okay, momentum of the derivative 2x plus infinity equal to 25 cents.
Ayan ako record. Shout out Tito Tonyo. Shout out. Tara nyo yung jersey guys. Luka Doncic! Lakers! Yung likod, likod. Eh! Shout out.
New game guys. Hindi sa Lakers. Sa UBTG Run.
Thank you so much. Shout out. Follow nyo, Tito Tonyo.
Yes sir.
BN Works. BN Works and Bon Works. Chando Sena here. Shout out. The Shadow daw. Jewel. Hello. Justin. Hello ka naman. Hello. Yeah, man. Mano nyo yan guys. My boy. Gab. Mga UBTG boys. Nababalagtog kami guys. Kapansin nyo, medyo maingay kasi maano kami sa music eh. Also, check it out guys. Jerseys for Road to Hall of Fame. Shout out to DFNDR by Edward Zeller and 365 by Ned Ned. Shout out to Coaches too. Sila yung gumagawa ng jerseys namin. So, yeah. More banners here. And Ivan.
Ano po yung baller nyo na merch?
180.
180.
Kumuha kayo. Yung nakabandana dun, oh. Katabi ni Bonworks. Sabihin nyo na. Tara. Top gap. So, ayun guys, isa pa pala, kapag sumasali kayo sa runs namin, you have the opportunity to not just play at the runs, pwede kayo mag-gym. So, if hindi nyo pa alam, 5 hours na yung runs namin. We call it the UBTG Community Day. 5 hours yun. May open runs, may exclusive runs, and mayroon din kaming Road to Hall of Fame, which is yung one day league na ginagawa namin. 7 to 9 yun. So, within that time period, pwede kayo mag-runs, pwede kayo mag-gym. Tara, pakita ko.
Landscape?
Hindi, so open lang. Shout out to Benzel, shout out. Hey, follow him. Ayan guys, so yun, ito yung gym. Dito nagje-gym sila KQ guys. Ayan. So lahat yan, you have access here kapag sumasali kayo sa UBTG runs. Kahit ano yung salihan nyo guys, kahit open runs exclusive or yung Road to Hall of Fame. 4 o'clock to 9 PM, may access kayo sa gym. So pwede kayo mag-gym anytime. So, yeah. Hindi ko na mapakita yung buong ano sa inyo, pero yun yung gym itself. So to, may hallway na pwede kayo mag-squats, pwede kayo mag-bench, and everything. Meron ding vertical measure, I don't know, kung paano nyo mina-measure yung vertical nyo. And yeah, so boy! So yun guys, what's up Luko? Oh boy. Nice to see you man. Anyway, that's about it. Meron pa kami hindi pinapakita sa inyo, which is, ito guys, so. Nakita nyo yan? So, ano muna yan? Confidential muna yan guys, di mo na kayo mapakita. Pero that's about it. Yun yung mga makikita nyo ngayon sa UBTG. So, if you want to be a part, if you want to be with us, with my boys, players, even creatives, even gusto mga mag-gym, anyone, pwede kayo pumunta dito guys. Be a part by joining the UBTG community on our Facebook page. Tapos, follow nyo na rin yung social media pages namin at Pinado by the Game. Not just us, follow nyo na rin si PB guys, Pinoy Basketballista, sila Rise Sports, Bonworks, and everything. And syempre, at Just Players. Yeah, peace out guys. See you!